Let's do unusual activity, Pete. What do you got for me?
Yeah, let's start off with energy, Scott. I talked about that earlier in the program. We were talking about energy and some of the moves we've seen out of that. Suncor is the name that actually hit today. They bought about 4,700 of the June 19 calls here. So Canadian company, obviously. Stock was trading about $18.75, so these are just out of the money calls, and they're full June expiration. So I thought that was pretty interesting. They're only about 50 cents. I love this when I saw this because I really like trading energy right now, and I think there's some great opportunities out there. My second one for you is Glue Mobile. Now, this is a gaming company, a mobile gaming company. It's really interesting. Last night, they had a secondary at 9.25. They put out about 15 million shares. Today, when the stock was still trading about 9.25, we suddenly saw this giant call buying come in there. And this was really pretty big because 34,000 calls were bought on the July 11 strike calls. And so they were buying these around 30 cents up to about 60 cents. Stock started to move, so it's already moved. I'm going to warn you now. Stock's already moved over $10, but very, very sizable trade here. It was really interesting to see this one. I jumped on it right away, but this stock has moved significantly since that unusual buying. I just want to make sure people understand that because it becomes a very crazy game of chase, and I don't want people to chase too much on something like this. Big name, big volume.
We understand. We appreciate that, Pete. Thank you. All right, Let's talk quickly. Josh, Slack, after the bell, earnings.
Yeah, they're supposed to do $188 million in revenue and lose 6 cents per share. Cowen came out YOLO yesterday. Get in before the earnings, they say. I hope they're right. If Zoom is any indication, and if Slack can prove that they're not a work-from-home stock, but a work-from-anywhere stock, we should have a good reaction. But I was buying very recently in the low 20s, so it's had a big run into these numbers already.